That's a classic Cobb Co, bent back correctly both ways. Yeah, they didn't have a drill bit to drill a hole, so the wire would have doubled over. You know how you do that wire that goes around and crosses the Cobb Co that goes, it would have been still Cobb Co'd on, but no drill bit, no hole. Old Paddy Collins had taught me, he said, 1.5 twists. If it's any more than that, you reckon the wire, if it's any less, it can come undone. It's got to be tight at 1.5.
I mean, that's what's held Australia together, hey, in the early days.
There's no question that the Cobb Co holds a special place in Australian bush history.
The Cobb Co Twitch takes its name from the famous Cobb Co coaches, which during the 1850s began a transportation service in Australia. The horse-drawn coaches ran to a very strict schedule, often travelling on extremely rough roads, and breakdowns were a common occurrence. A wire twitch was used to repair damaged parts of the coach, and over time it became known as the Cobb Co Twitch. It proved to be strong and reliable, and to this day on farms and stations all around Australia, the Cobb Co Twitch is still frequently used. A go-to method for repair and construction jobs. 170 years down the track, this twisted wire icon has passed into Australian folklore and is simply referred to as a Cobb Co.